Challenges in our industry have to do with lead time. We have to respond as quickly as our customers need for us to respond. When our company first started, we needed some help in terms of manufacturing, so we partnered with GCC to build our power units in their shop up until the point where our company was grown and capable enough to build power units on our own.
So as a value-added distributor, we help our customers with engineering support, technical support, and also for inventory support. The important part about our relationship is to help them build trust. With our excessive lead times on some of our world-class product lines, we need to work with them on forecasting, production builds, make sure that we can deliver product on a timely manner.
We like to think of each other as partners. They help us, we help them, and at the end, everybody gets to grow and enjoy a good lifestyle.
We help them out with engineering support, product support, application support, and in turn, we work together to help us both profit and move forward in our businesses.
The most important thing for us working with GCC has to do with the people. We have long-standing relationships with a bunch of guys at GCC. The rapport, the trust, the technical expertise, these are the guys that we like to work with.